of our insights associated with each of these areas. And we're going to start probably with the most important one, and it's around porosity, opening porosity. What we're really doing when you're trying to change another person's behavior, like Daniel, or like an executive team, you're trying, the first thing that allows you permission to have that dialogue is empathy. Empathy is the bridge to change. Empathy is the bridge to transformation. Empathy is the opportunity, because empathy is us. Yesterday I was describing some of the science that goes into our research, and originally we thought we were going to be psychologists and psychology-driven. Get into your head and understand psychology. And that's had its impact to a certain level. And then we thought, well, let's study sociology and social change and cultural transformation from a sociologist's perspective. And that was more reporting around what's present as opposed to understanding how to make the change occur. So what was interesting about it, and I met a gentleman